Hi guys, I just picked up all of our groceries from Walmart and I'm going to show you everything we got for the week along with our meal plan that I have written out in my meal planning book that I do every week. So I have really been focusing hard on the budget lately for our groceries. And my budget typically is $200 per week for my family of four, me and my husband and my two boys. And I have been under budget the last few weeks because I have really been using my meal planner, checking everything we have in the fridge, the pantry, and the freezer, and making sure we don't waste any food. So I was under budget this week at $192. I know it's close to $200, but anything under budget is a win for me. So I'll share with you everything I got, share with you our meal plan. If you need some meal planning inspiration and motivation, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I share with you my grocery haul every week, and then I share with you my recipes on the weekends as well. So make sure you subscribe. Let me show you everything I got from my Walmart grocery pickup. So I got a lot of stuff this week and we will be set. Like I said, this is for the whole week. It's for breakfast, lunch, and dinner for my whole family. So I will start over here. I got a pizza. We're going to do a pizza night this week. And I actually got two because there was a clippable coupon. So I will just hide this in our back refrigerator so that my kids don't see it. Because if they see that there's frozen pizza, they will always want it. But it was just a better value to buy two of these with that coupon. So two pizzas. Sandwich thins for my husband's lunches. He makes his lunch every day for work. Some salad, some mixed green for salads. I got this big bag of trail mix. We're going to be going on a little tiny mini road trip. So I wanted to get some nice snacks for that. And this bag is really big. It's going to last us a while. Salami. One of my kids likes salami in his lunches. I pack their lunch for school each day. So he likes salami. And then he also likes this thick cut ham. This is the classic sliced smoked ham. So it's nice thick slices. So he alternates about every other day between ham and salami. Carrots, those go also in my kids' lunches, and I love them as snacks. Big thing of broccoli. We do a lot of broccoli. It is our vegetable of choice. I got some tortilla chips because my kids, they love avocado on tortilla chips. So I am trying not to buy them because I usually get into them and eat them, which I don't want to do because they're so good. But I got a bag this week for the kids. Some edamame, another one of my favorite snacks. So we also do this sometimes as a side vegetable with dinner. Strawberries. Here's our avocados. I got 5 avocados for the week. It should last us. We just love avocado. I love it with my eggs in the morning, and it's just awesome. Some sliced cheddar cheese for sandwiches. And then I got a brick of cheese. I'm going to start grating our own cheese. It's the same price. It's not any cheaper, but just talking to my husband, we want to try and do things with less preservatives. So I'm going to start shredding our own cheese. So I'm going to buy it by the block. Eggs, of course, crazy expensive, over $10 for an 18 pack. Hopefully that price goes down soon. This is our favorite yogurt. This Too Good. It's 2 grams of sugar per serving. This is vanilla. I actually ordered 3, but they substituted this Chobani 0 sugar one. So, that'll be fine. But we've been doing a lot for dessert, a lot of yogurt with walnuts and blueberries. So that's been our dessert lately. Cottage cheese, one of my favorite snacks, and one of my kids, he is obsessed with it right now. So I almost thought about getting 2, but I just got 1 for the week and it should be good. Some croutons because we'll do salad. Lots of bananas. We go through a lot of fruit. I got 2 things of ground turkey. I'm going to do a chili, which I do a chili a lot. I've been doing it a ton this winter. And then I'm going to do a spaghetti bake as well. So 2 of those ground turkeys. Chili seasoning and ranch seasoning. I have been keeping these stocked in my pantry each week because I just never really know when I'm going to whip up a batch of chili. Grapes. My kids love grapes. Chicken. I only got 1 pack this week. If you've been around my channel, you know I've been getting 1 to 2 packs per week because we just eat a lot of chicken. And I grill up a pack on the barbecue for sandwiches and salads and whatnot. And then I usually do a a couple different crock pot chicken meals. So we go through a lot of chicken, but I got 2 packs last week and we have some left over. So I got some peanut butter. I have been putting peanut butter on my apples lately. Such a yummy snack. I know there's a lot of sugar in peanut butter, so I do need to start researching a good brand to get on for peanut butter with way less sugar, but it's delicious. And this one is, I just like it, the Great Value one, but I'm definitely going to start looking into some better quality peanut butters because I love it on my apples. Milk and almond milk. My husband uses almond milk in his smoothies and protein shakes. Some whole wheat spaghetti. My kids, they just love meatballs and spaghetti. Like I mentioned, I'm going to do a spaghetti bake this week. So I always like to get whole wheat noodles. Lots of canned goods to stock up the pantry. Chickpeas, black beans, Great Northern beans, some more black beans because my husband does a lot of burritos. Dark red kidney beans, 2 corns, and some lentils. I'm going to do a cake mix cookie with this strawberry cake mix. If you've been around my channel, you know I absolutely love doing cake mix hacks, making cookies and cakes, starting off with a box of cake mix. So if you want to try some easy desserts, check out some of those videos. I have a bunch of them because I just love making them. Blueberries, like I said, we do a lot of yogurt with walnuts and blueberries, so we always go through a thing of blueberries. Sugar-free syrup, my kids do. I get Kodiak pancake mix, the protein pancake mix, and they love it. And so they really like this sugar-free syrup as well. A big bag of apples. We go through a lot of apples. Like I said, I've been doing apples with peanut butter as a snack. These little peanut butter crackers, they're really great for on the go for my kids. They're peanut butter, sandwich crackers. So the kids like those. This is a big box, 20 packs. And then I got this big bag of rice. I just chose the cheapest rice they had. We're not going to eat this. I saw on Pinterest to make these like little kind of like rice bags in some cloth. And I'm going to have my mom sew these little pouches for me. And then you heat them up or you freeze them. And like I said, we're going to go on a road trip soon. And I want to be able to have some warm food just for the day of, not for any other day. But I want to bring some warm food and some cold food to have easily accessible. So I'm going to try and make these pouches, and I guess you make it with rice. So I'm going to give it a shot, but I wanted to get just the cheapest rice I could find. So it's a big 5-pound bag. And I think it was $3.97. It was under $4 for this big bag. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. So here are all of the groceries, everything for the week. And here is my meal planning book. So I'm going to do G-Pod chicken and broccoli. That's what we call, it's like a teriyaki chicken that my dad makes. We call him G-Pod. But we're going to make that here. I'm going to do crock pot chicken noodle soup. It has been cold and wet. We're going to do some meatball sub sandwiches. I'm going to do tacos. We're going to do Southwest salad. I'm going to do a crock pot cheesy ground beef and potatoes, and then salmon and rice bowls. So all of our favorites for dinner this week, all written out, stuff I'm using out of the freezer and some stuff we already had. So definitely for this meal plan, we are making sure we're not wasting any food. So that is the meal plan and the groceries. I hope you enjoyed this week's grocery haul. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you in my next video.